No, not you. You.
You.
Okay, now put all the words together.
I love you.
Now let's say it like less painful. Let's say it like you're happy about it. Like, I love you.
I love you.
No.
I love you.
Not like you're in pain. Like you really love the person.
I love you.
Almost. You're almost there.
I love you.
Almost, but you're there.